So we're having pumpkin soup, but then we're having something called Koong Taang, which there's shrimp, which is in this bag right here. You got some squid, and then you got some other little mussels. Some mint leaves there for fragrance, flavor. Got some bell pepper, some corn for the side. Or no, the corn goes in the Koong Taang, and then we got this nui na for dessert. And of course, you have to have wine. Pumpkin soup with carrots in it. Oh, I love it. Mmm. Don't you make a sauce and put it on?
Going to be a sauce.
All right. Apparently, all this is going into the sauce, which that's what, mint? This.
Mm-hmm.
Mint?
This is like a cilantro.
Yeah. Is that pakchi? It's cilantro. And then we got STAW, yummy. And we got all this stuff here, which is what? Oregano, white pepper, shrimp paste with soya bean oil. What is this? I can't read it. Do you know, what does it say?
น้ำพริกเผา
Chili paste.
with shrimp.
Yeah, chili paste. And then what is this? Oh, this is sriracha. We have sriracha.
We can put some sriracha if you want more
Okay,
spicy.
and we got paprika. Okay, so all that's going into the sauce. How's this looking? That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Got just garlic and butter. Crushed garlic and butter. Next, what's next?
This.
Shrimp paste. That's a sweet shrimp paste. Right there going in. Ow! This is not your everyday Thai meal. Right? I think that's enough. Paprika.
Some milk or some coconut milk should be fine.
Well, coconut milk's better for me. Smell good. Coconut milk. Gotta keep stirring it. Don't want it to burn. Coconut milk in there. Ooh. Uh-oh. Oregano. Smells good. Putting the STAW in there.
So we can have some vegetables.
Chunky vegetables. Okay. Here comes the STAW. Gonna little taste. Ooh, that's good.
Really?
Oh yeah. Can't forget the white pepper. Look good to me. All right, we've decided. Ooh, that's enough. Once you put it in, then it's too late. Red chili flakes. Add a little spice to it. Oh, that's good. Good stuff. Oh, you got to put the mint in?
We put everything in here. Or you want me to put everything in there?
No, you put it in that pan. It's better. The mint goes after? Let me tell you, that curry is so good. You could just pour that right on top of rice with a little bit of vegetables in there, and you could eat it as a meal. Oh.
Not.
No, it's all right. It's all right for now, but slow down. You might have to shake the pan a little bit. Oh, that'll be all right. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, yes, that looks good. Some mint, some cilantro. That is the finished pumpkin soup. Yummy. What do you think, Alex? What do you think, Nikki?
Pretty healthy, Alex.
Best meal of the year.
Wow, best meal of the year. Tasty, Alex?
Yeah.
Wow, this is happiness. We're using the gloves for the seafood. That's yours too.
Wait, this.
She's on the hunt for the squid. Any more in her? Alex, how is it?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
How's that sauce?
It's not too spicy.
Nikki, 1 to 10.
9.5.
Alex, 1 to 10.
A 9.
Bo, 9. I'm saying 9.99. I don't know, but it must be good because all I hear is teeth. You know what? I'm not just kissing up to the wife, but I don't think you've ever made a better meal than this one.